Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. And today I will be teaching you how to turn on profile views on TikTok. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to make sure that your TikTok app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your TikTok app. Afterwards, just simply open your TikTok app and simply go to your profile found on the lower right corner. And right here, there are actually two ways to turn on profile views on TikTok. The first one is by clicking on the I button found on the upper right, which is this one, and then simply click on Turn On right here, found on the lower right corner. But before that, you should make sure to read all of these first before turning on your profile views option. So, this includes other people can see that you viewed their profile, only you can see who viewed your profile, only viewers who turned on profile views and viewed your profile in the past 30 days will be shown. And then the last one, you can turn this off at any time. So click on turn on once you have understood all of this and then wait for it to load. And then now, for the second step, you may also turn on profile views by clicking on the three lines found on the upper right corner. Click on settings and privacy. Click on privacy and scroll to the bottom of the page and then you may be able to see the profile views option right here. So click on it and then do the same step by turning on the profile view history option. So make sure that the toggle button has turned into green and not gray. So that's it. That's how you can turn on profile views on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.